What's going on today, guys? I apologize about the noise. We have the heater going on in the corner, so you're just gonna have to ignore it for a little bit. While we're waiting for the garage to heat up so we can finish installing that seat, we are going to do some tires. I ended up getting yet another set of wheels, and I really like these ones. So we're gonna be mounting up some winter tires that I got off of Facebook Marketplace here shortly, but I need to get all this situated first, and then we can go from there. All right, let's get started. I'm going to show you guys real quick how I take out the valve stems, and then the valve stem assembly is really easy. So next, you take a new valve stem, you get a valve stem tool, okay? Just like this right here, all right? I do have a bucket of lube that I'll be using. This is specifically tire lubricant for mounting tires. So it is a specific tire paste that is used. I'm just gonna throw a little bit on there, make it easier on myself. You slide it through the back side, and then this will actually this will actually screw on just like this, and it gives you a little T-head to pull on, okay, and it just pops right in place. It is literally that simple to change these. Obviously it's a lot easier with the with everything off, but with that being said, not a big deal. We're also real quick going to do that one, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so I have a couple of cheap tire spoons that I got off of Amazon. All right, so I'm actually gonna roll the tire over here. Okay, it's probably usually a good idea to make sure there's nothing in the inside there, or else it's gonna sit and corrode everything. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of this tire lube right on the bead. Okay, and we're gonna do both sides. So very important that you make sure that the inside of the wheel is going on the inside of the wheel. This should pretty much slip on. If not, you can just grab a tool. There we go. So the hardest thing to remember, okay, after you've gotten this far, all right, is you have to make sure that you're picking this up. So very important that the barrel right here is working to your advantage rather than working against you. It's something I almost always forget, and to be honest with you, it makes my life so much harder when I'm trying to make this work. But this will be now the third set of wheels I mounted for this car, so hopefully it'll go nice and smooth this time. See, that's what it always does. It always likes to give up the ghost right when you're starting to make progress. So... see if we can get her pumped up. Well, that should do it. I think these turned out awesome. So these are 255 40 18 on an American Racing 18 by 8.5, and I think they turned out perfect. So plus side benefit, garage is nice and warm, so now we can get back to the regularly scheduled content. But thanks for joining us for this. See you guys next time.